are we going to try to see if Eric will take some steps over there?
Come into the baby jail.
Here.
First, let's make him stand. Stand, stand, Emily, stand.
Whoa. That was a couple steps. Whoa.
Aww. Come on, baby.
No cheater, no cheater. That's what he was doing today. He was cheating. Don't let him go right away. Come on, buddy. Come to mama. Come on, you can do it.
Can you get my glasses? Yeah.
Oh, almost. Try it again.
Well,
Try it
he
again.
did that fast.
Try it again. Yeah, use your glasses.
Come
Yeah, just make him reach it. There you go, buddy.
on. Come
There you go. You got it. Oh, almost.
He's like, I'm smart. It's easier. Hey!
Yeah. Try it again. Here. Good job. There you go. Yay. Yeah. Oh.
Look at Kitty.
Show me glasses. Show me glasses.
What is that? Oh,
Look
what is that?
Look at Eric. Eric. Hey. Hey. Come on. Good job. There you go. Yeah. You did it. You did it.
Oh, God.
Come on. There you go. Yay! He did it. Yes. First steps. We got your first steps on video. We forced you to it, but you did it. There you go. Come on. Oh, cheater. Oh, we got it on video. Yay! And there's your reward.